little bit of excitement this evening. We're out on our daily exercise in this lockdown, and we came across a little abandoned duckling. We watched him getting lost. Mother clearly couldn't count. She had 11 ducklings and waddled off with 10 of them, leaving one in the river. We waited around for about half an hour or so, and she didn't come back for it. Eventually we tried to find its mother, but couldn't find it, so ended up taking it back here onto the boat for the evening. See if it survives. Hopefully try and take it out tomorrow morning, see if we can find its mummy again, and get them reunited. If not, I think, well, we've got something to do through the lockdown, looking after and rearing a little duck, but we'll see how that goes. So we've got him here in a little box that we made for him. I've got a greenhouse heater there, which is the only thing we really got to keep him warm. We've been replacing a hot water bottle every couple of hours to keep it, and he's certainly finding the warmest spot and huddling under it. We're a little bit concerned because he's quite quiet and we haven't had a cheep out of him for a couple of hours. But I don't know, I'm not a duck expert, I don't know. He's probably just asleep. But we'll see if he makes it. We'll keep the hot water bottle topped up, and we'll see him in the morning and see how lively he is in the morning, and yeah. Well, it's morning now, and the good news is he seems to be full of beans now that the sun's come up. We've had a little bit of advice of what food to give him, so we've got some little bit of egg here that he's enjoying, and Charlotte's been feeding him with some water on a paintbrush, which is a good tip. So we're going to head out in a little bit, see if we can find his mother. If we can, hopefully they'll recognise each other and we can get them reunited. So we've come out for our daily piece of exercise, and we've been lucky enough to find his mother. She's just out there on the island with her other 10 chicks, and what we really need ours to do is to cheep and call out to her. And the first time he's not actually doing it. He was so noisy yesterday evening and this morning, and now we actually need him to call out so his mother hears him. He's decided to be completely silent. So we're just going to sit and hopefully at some point they're going to call and find each other. Mommy's calling.
He's back. He's here.
Okay, try to see if we can zoom.
I don't know which one he is now, thankfully.
I think he has been thoroughly accepted back into the family.
Now you just have to survive.
Very difficult to see.